Hi everyone, I'm Josh McGaffigan from Pro Tool Reviews, and today we're going to be looking at the 275-piece mechanic set from Hart. It features a variety of ratchets, sockets, and wrenches, and today we're going to do a full run through of each of the drawers so that you can decide if it's the right set for you. Let's get started. Right off the bat, I really like this case. It's a good solid plastic. There's two side handles here so you can easily lift it up into the bed of a truck or into a work van. There's also a really nice rubber overmold handle up on top if you need to carry it a certain distance too. Going towards the front, these metal latches. Guys, this is huge. I don't know if you've ever had this happen to you. I know I have. You go to lift up your toolbox, plastic latches go flying off, tools go everywhere, a few choice words come out. You know what I'm talking about. On the back side here, there are these really nice pin and barrel hinges. These are very sturdy, very secure, so you don't have to have any worry about this top ever flying off. Moving inside, we've got these really nice nylon straps that are actually riveted down. This is going to keep this top latch from overextending and putting extra stress on these hinges. Now with this set, you're going to get three different size ratchets. It comes with a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive ratchet. Now these are pretty nice. These are 90-tooth ratchets, which gives you a 4-degree swing arc. There's also a release button here on the back. You're going to find that with a lot of different ratchets, but it helps so that your ratchet socket doesn't go flying off whenever you're using it. Okay, let's take a closer look at what sockets come with this set. You've got 71 standard size sockets. Now these range from SAE to Metric. Now these are chrome plated, and they've got these really nice large markings, so if you've got kind of bad eyesight or you've maybe got some greasy handprints on here and can't see real well, these markings will show up really nicely. They also come in 6-point as well as 12-point depending on what kind of fastener you're using, and if you happen to be using an impact driver or an impact wrench, there's also a standard SAE as well as Metric impact rated sockets down here in this second drawer. Turning our attention to the deep well sockets, there's 35 in total. They come in both 1/4 inch drive as well as 3/8 inch drive. They have the same large markings as the other ones do. And if you look down here, you also have 3 spark plug sockets as well as 15 combination wrenches in Metric as well as SAE. Now, in this set, you're also going to find 55 specialty drivers. You'll find some hex drivers, Torx drivers, Allen drivers, as well as a number of specialty bits that go along with this 1/4 inch hex drive screwdriver. You can find this set at your local Walmart for $197, and it's also going to be covered by Hart's limited lifetime warranty. This versatile set is great for beginners and value-minded pros alike. Do you have any questions about this set, or do you already have one and want to let us know what you think? Leave it down in the comments below. And if you have any more questions about this set, you can look on our website for the full written review coming here in a couple weeks. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tool reviews and comparisons just like this one. Be sure to visit ProToolReviews.com for access to all our full-length written articles and head-to-heads. And as always, thanks for watching.